I had been looking for rooms to set up in Geelong, and I found it all very daunting for myself to do it personally. So I wanted someone who could help me look for a location, what is suitable, what are the leases like. If I lease a place and it's not suitable for a dental fit out, I just didn't have the answer to these questions. And then I was in touch with one of the team members, with Ronnie to start with, and he was a very, very big help. And then I also have some colleagues who have done fit outs with OPTIMA, very good feedback, so that's where it all began for me. It was exceptionally easy, a lot simpler than I thought. And I actually couldn't believe it. I didn't have to come to the site. Pretty much the only times I did come was out of personal curiosity, or maybe to just convey a couple of technical things like where exactly the chairs would go, what the clearance would be, and that too because I wanted it done a certain way. But really, if I hadn't rocked up to the site, I think I would have gotten a similar result. Honest, approachable, and very prompt. So I had an experience with multiple team members at OPTIMA. As I said before, it all started with Ronnie, who I was in touch with, and I used to keep calling him, but then I realized there's a project manager that was allocated to me, who was Tristan, and absolutely wonderful. Tristan's been extremely helpful. Took the stress out of small little things even, which I think he went out of the way. It may not even have been his job to do, but he did it for us. The design team, I had a lot of interaction with them, and they came up with some very cool, clever ideas which would really suit the practice. And the rest of the team members, can't name them all here because there's quite a few, but from the accounts management team to equipment, Greg, he has been very helpful as well. And one of the reasons why I bought all the equipment of OPTIMA as well. They're fitting it out, might as well they supply the equipment, and it's in terms of service, it's their problem to handle. So I'll look forward to that. It's something what I wanted to create, and that's what I got from OPTIMA. So the things I appreciate the most, I love coming up to work every day, and I can see it in the families, the patients, the parents who are coming. It's warm, it's inviting, it doesn't feel like a dentist surgery, which is what I wanted to achieve, and it's calming. And it's great to see this feedback we're already getting from parents here. I think it already is. It's only been about 10 to 15 days we've started at these premises, and I can see it not just in our kids, the children, but also in the parents. And from our experience, we know that a relaxed parent is equal to a relaxed child. So I can already see that happening. It has been a wonderful experience, and I would highly recommend it to, if anyone would want to inquire about the services OPTIMA provides or get any feedback, contact me directly, because I would highly recommend them, and hopefully they get to do a lot more projects. I think they're doing a very good job of it, and I can see that they get it. They understand that coming to a dentist is worrying, is stressful, people are full of anxiety, and you don't have to explain it to them that you don't want to create a very clinical environment, which is what I wanted to do here. You shouldn't feel like when you enter, you're in a dentist surgery, or it smells like the dentist, feels like the dentist. So I think you don't have to explain all those things. They already know, and that certainly will help change the public's perception.